We are back at the Barracito. They have several workshops and events here. As you know, recently we just filmed the Lucha Libre. Today is going to be totally different though. We are making tacos. That's going to be great. I know Linda's really into that, but I think probably my favorite part is that we're also tasting tequila. So I'll do the tequila, you do the tacos. How about that?
Okay, that'll work.
All right. Vámonos.
Welcome to Cozumel every day. Put on your flip-flops and let's go on an adventure.
Amigos, familia, amigos with Martin. Welcome to Barriecito, that's the name of the location. And let me tell you something that I didn't tell at the beginning. Barriecito is a new place. Actually, it was open not even 3 years ago. So it's a new location. It's as I mentioned before, we're trying to concentrate here cultural tours. Okay? Now, familia, want to have a little introduction about tequila? And remember, I'm going to do a test at the end, so you better pay attention to Martin. Okay? On the table you will find aprons. You can wear it, please. Okay, amigos, wearing the apron is optional. If you feel to that, it's fine. I understand. Okay? Actually, the apron looks nice. Okay, here with the letters, Taco Tequila. Okay? Let me introduce two important persons here. Okay, we have Mr. David, the chef. And of course, my friend Angel. Okay, my group. Angel, well, he's going to be assisting us here. Also, the chef will be charging the chef. And Angel, they are from the island. He's preparing something. Part of the food we're going to prepare. The first one is going to be something that is very popular, very popular. It's green color guacamole. Yes, you are gonna make your guacamole, but want to make a special one. We won't use the whole ingredients like the onion, not tomato, but avocado has lime juice, cilantro, and we have another ingredient that's gonna be a surprise. Okay. I hope everybody's going to be brave people today. Yes. next is tacos dorados, or the very famous taquitos that are fried. Salt, they are tasty, very crunchy. Okay, I know when I say grasshoppers, I going to see faces like, what? Okay, I'm gonna hold one. Look. Look. Okay. Who wants to try? Very good, Mr. Lee. Very good. Okay. If you want to taste it right, the grasshopper, you can dip it in the guacamole. Okay. And you can taste not that some flavor. This is not really tasty. Really tasty. Or okay, you want to put some in your guacamole? There you go, you know.
You and your challenge.
It's made with chicken or turkey. We have the options. The sauce is black because you have to the ingredients is recado negro, is kind of achiote. And they mix it with chiles anchos. Chile ancho is, in the tradition, is white chile, which is a big one, not spicy. Anyway, you take the veins out, and then they are going to be roasted. Roasted, a lot more roasted. And what gives the color, that black color, that salsa, that juice, are the ashes from the roasted chiles.
Our tour guide, Martine, was very informative about the traditions of tacos and tequila. We tried 3 different tacos, 3 or 6 different tequilas, however many we tried. But it was really cool. And you too could go to tourlanders.com and do your own tacos, make your own tacos, and taste your own tequila. I highly recommend it. But now another tradition here in Mexico is a siesta, and I think it's time for that. So, vámonos, adios, and see you next time.